What's up everybody? Rishi here. For creating the video of a chosen keyword, we are going to use the slideshow presentation model. That is, we'll be using PowerPoint to create our presentation and use the free software Screencast-O-Matic to record our presentation. I have already created the video and uploaded it to YouTube. In fact, here is our video. Within 15 minutes of uploading, our video was already ranking in YouTube. So let's watch the video first and then I'll tell you how I created the video. So here is the PowerPoint presentation for the video that I created. I used 10 slides. So firstly, what we need is content for our PowerPoint presentation. So the way we can get content is directly from the website of the offer. I went to the frequently asked questions. You don't need to read the entire content. Specific points that you're looking for is like, what specific problem does the offer solve? So we can see that this offer can give loans from short-term loans as well as long-term loans. And here where they have written why they are different. So this is the USP of the offer. How is First Choice Capital Resources different from other companies? So here they have written that they are constantly adding new lenders to our network. So we can go in and briefly make some points for the same. I also added this image to the presentation, and the way I added this image is I used a free software known as Jing to capture the image. As I told you in the first video that especially for presentation type videos, we need to first hook the audience, that is get their attention. The way I did was I wrote the text that in the next few minutes I will show you how you can get a fast payday loan. Or I could have even said that towards the end of the video I will show you how you can get a fast payday loan or something like that, so that they would want to see the video from beginning to end. Another important point to remember is that you have to make only 1 point per slide. So you cannot clutter one slide with too much text. So here this slide is making only 1 point, that it is asking a question. When you ask question, it is even better. So the target audience is having the problem in getting fast loan. So that is the reason why I asked the question, are you desperately looking for fast cash? And many of them are tired of being disqualified again and again because they are not getting the payday loans, they are not meeting the criteria, or they are not getting the right lenders who can give the loan. This points again I picked up from the frequently asked questions of the offer. And you always need to connect the problem with the solution. The solution is this company. Okay, the number one loan company for all credit types, and this again information I picked up from the offer itself. I could have written more benefits, features for the offer in the video, but the video would have become too lengthy. So I immediately jump to the point where how they can also get a payday loan today, and that's where my call to action comes into picture. And having a call to action is really important because this will increase the click-through rate. And you can always get an image of an arrow from Google. I just went to Google and searched for a downward arrow image. And another important thing to remember when you finally create the video is to have the call to action running for at least 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. The reason being that once your video is finished playing, YouTube will start playing related videos. So having the call to action for at least 15 to 30 seconds towards the end makes the people, not click on the related videos, but they will be glued to your video and they will click on the link below your video. I've also animated most of the text and finally this arrow as well. Making animation keeps the viewer engaged rather than having static images. The animation is also very simple. For example, here I have the animations for the arrow, which is nothing but simply flash once. So I added this flash once 3 times, and I added the effect entrance flash once. Similarly, for other text, I have entered some animations also, like zoom, faded zoom, flash once. Here I added an effect faded zoom. So this is how you create very interesting presentations very easily using PowerPoint. Now this is the first step. The second step is that you have to record your PowerPoint presentation. And the way to record the PowerPoint presentation is to use a software called Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free software. Here it is. All you have to do is hit start recording. And once you click start recording, you will get a recording area like this. You have to click the slideshow button on the PowerPoint so that the screen becomes maximum area. And then all you have to do is drag the area in order to record the presentation, and you have to click Alt P button to start the recording. And when the recording is going on, you just have to speak as the slides go by. So I'll just start speaking. Are you tired of being disqualified again and again from a payday loan? Do you know that even if you have a bad credit, poor credit scores, you can still qualify for fast payday loans? So this is how you create a PowerPoint presentation and record it using Screencast-O-Matic. Finally, when you're done with the recording, you just have to click Alt P again. And you'll see that click record to continue or done to finish. So here I can click done, and here I will get a preview of whatever I recorded. So that's it, guys. You just have to click done with this recording and publish to video file. So that's it for this module on video creation. I hope that it's very clear to you as to how easy it is to create videos for CPA offers.